Of course, that was... Who wouldn't want a barbecue on their boat?
Right there. Right there on the boat. Oh, that would piss me off. That goes all the way that way.
Oh, that's irritating.
That is super irritating. Yeah, because especially being this short, you're not reaching. What are you putting back there? Yeah.
This is kind of nice, but...
Again,
you're gonna knock your food off the grill.
just to get a beer.
Just to get fair.
Hello, YouTube family. We have arrived. Officially, we've been here for a bit, but that's okay. Oh, look at that paint job. That's like the one that my dad had on his boat, except it was like orange and brown. It looked just like that. I like that.
See, I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera how sparkly it is.
Yeah.
It kind of does. There. Now you can see it's bass boat. That's what I call.
Yeah.
That's what I call bass boat. When someone would paint a car and put too much flake in it.
Oh, look at that. That's great.
Yeah, I'd call it bass boat, man.
Okay, so would you want to go back to the door we started at and work our way around, or are we just gonna?
Okay, I mean, but we got.
Around?
Yes. So Jake was looking at some of these before.
Ah. Yeah, I would feel a little weird towing one.
Again?
The last time we did, I ended up under it.
The only problem is how would I tow it?
Right? That's what I'm saying.
I need a boat that can go on top of the truck.
So, you're looking for a little John boat.
Little John boat.
That's the only one you're going to be able to get in that.
On top of the.
On top of that frame. Look at this. Look at this.
Of course, that was. Who wouldn't want a barbecue on their boat?
Right there. Right there on the boat.
See, that's nice. This is a nice little boat here.
I like the sheer amount of cup holders
Yeah, they're everywhere.
in here. I like the cup holders. Oh, here goes this one.
Someone left their drink. That would be nice. Like, what do you want? It's just me.
And all
$300 a free gear. On one of these, I can understand. That's a total value of, okay, only $28,000. $3 grand. Really not bad. Pedal motor. That is nice. This one has a trolling motor.
I own a trolling motor.
Well, I know. Yes, we do. That's pretty good. 3,500. This one's got the an electric trolling motor as well. And here's
oh, that makes it easy.
Hey, where are we going? We're going that way.
Okay, this is cute. I like this. This little,
I like the
little
table.
control panel right there.
Take a look at the
The
table.
lights. That is beautiful. Oh, look at all that storage.
Well, we have about the same, but our head is sleeping here.
It's very soft.
Soft close.
I like the soft clothes. Like these little. One thing I've always loved about the Airstream is their creativity. They're very creative in the way that they use space.
Yeah, but they're very expensive.
They are.
And I like this is nice.
Like the size of this refrigerator.
Yeah, this is a really, if it was just us, this would be amazing, but $170,000 because it's even got a seat. Here, I'll move out of the way.
No, it's okay. Yeah. What's in here? Is it the toilet room?
That is the toilet room with a full-length mirror on the door. And I like how heavy the doors feel.
Look at this sink, and there's a big mirror right here. This sink is really nice. I like that. What a creative use of the corners. That's what I'm saying. Like, they really do a lot of creative usage.
And I like the heater.
Oh yeah. There's one on each side.
12 volt and 120 on both sides.
On both sides. I like the giant window in the back. So that's kind of neat. If it were just me and you, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's got the
pantry. Oh, those are the nice buttons.
Those are the nice buttons. I like those. Okay, are you ready to see a small one?
This is itty bitty. There would be the bed.
Very creative.
Oh, actually, there's another bed. There's a full-size queen in here, man.
Let's see, like this one is like, it has a shower, a wet bath in it. That's what it says.
It's almost a queen. It's kind of a double. It'd be enough.
It would be enough, yeah.
That is not a wet bath. It is almost a wet bath. But
Almost a wet bath, but no. Look at this neat old closet.
hey, that's kind of nice.
Right?
For one person, this would be...
1, 2.
Yeah, 2 people on a push.
Oh, okay.
This is one 57. Why we don't have an Airstream? Because we paid half of basically that for ours.
Okay, I see now.
These are nice. We'll catch all nets.
Yeah, one on each
They have
side.
that wraparound windsor with their big selling point. You park that out over here.
Fridge, tiny little microwave.
This is
Don't
probably
need much, right?
storage. This is like a weekender.
Yeah. You have more storage there. Let's sink.
This
Wet
one
bath.
is a wet bath.
Yeah. And all of these have little doors, so that's kind of nice. They click in.
Oh, nice.
This would end up being a permanent bed for sure.
Oh yeah, it would get turned into a bed and never taken and turned back into a.
Shelf, more netting.
It's nice.
So yeah, I mean it's nice. They would.
With a little bit different it's got a little bit different layout.
There's
And
a kitchen up there.
yeah, it's a kitchen up there instead of that one just kind of.
Yeah. So I mean, you would have to. I'm gonna go check out the bathroom.
It's a wet bath still.
Yeah, but could you access everything? Do you have enough space? A permanent bed would come to here.
Is a wet bath.
Yeah, it's about that.
But I do like the
I'm not, I'm not sure about the fridge being. I mean, I guess that's the most logical place for it. I mean, what could you imagine the heck of a view? Because I mean, there's no
Oh yes. Yeah. Doesn't have the bed come out of the ceiling though. But
No.
it is not a wet bath.
This would be your bed. So you would
Have to make it.
Have to make
It's a.
Yeah. So this comes down. So every single day you would have to pull that down.
Mm-hmm.
Too much work. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we've got our eyes on some.
Okay, see, not a wet bath.
Not
I
a
like
wet bath.
that.
Mm-hmm. But I want the bed to come out of the ceiling.
Well, I mean that's like a custom thing I do.
Yeah, I guess so. I gotta make it.
the square boxing looking one? Oh, so it's kind of like the other one. It kind of opens up like is still $55,000 for the small one.
$55,000 for that.
Yeah. That one there is $55,000. This one's $59,000.
Then it's $57,000.
Right? So for a couple thousand more, is it better?
For 50, 55, 57, I go with the 57.
Right?
But I'm not spending 57.
Oh, I know, but I'm saying for like if you're making the ultimate decision,
Yes.
right, on which one you want, is it important to you to have one that opens in the back where like you can open the doors and get fresh air or whatever, and so or do you want something a little more boxed in? Like this one opens up in the back. Head into this one. Got the good handles. Oh, it's soggy in here. Nice size shower. It's got the quick flush toilet. Plenty of under sink storage. Oh, look how deep that is. That's a little intense. Here's the bedroom. Okay. There's a little fireplace. I'm not much one for slide outs personally. I don't like the hassle. This is nice fabric, not leather, it's fabric. Not a whole lot of storage under the sink, but whoop, nice deep sink. So that's a nice deep sink. Not gonna show that to you right now. $55,000 for this model. I do like the lighting above the cabinets right there. Fridge. Second bathroom. Sliding door, barn doors. This is the bunkhouse model. We actually looked into something very similar. We almost got a bunkhouse style for the girls that was like this. I had a desk right here. That is. Okay.
It's a nice big pass-through.
Yeah, it does have a big pass-through. Arctic Wolf Cherokee Limited Edition. Okay. I do like the under cabinet lighting. It has a pantry. It has a pantry. That's nice.
Well,
I like the layout of the kitchen. It's like this is sink, stove, fridge, locks with a slide bar. It's got a slide bar lock. Oh, that would piss me off. That goes all the way that way.
Oh, that's irritating.
That is super irritating. Yeah, because especially being the short, you're not reaching. What are you putting back there? Okay, well, let me look in the back over here. I do like the little fireplace, and
sorry.
Oops, I dig the under cabinet lighting right here.
This is, yeah, and this is a slide.
Yeah, and yeah, I don't like slides to be honest, but I do like space. Oh God, my hip. Oh, see, this is the exact same bathroom that the other model had that I took the camera into. Same bathroom, same bedroom. Oh, super cute.
It's gonna be hard to stand up in it, but it's an overland edition. Okay, we got bunks.
Okay.
We got a toilet.
Okay.
We got rubber mat. Hey. And a make bed. Okay. But if you're, this is the kind of trailer.
This is a shower too.
Oh yeah, I would assume so.
Yeah, there's a shower. So you can hang the curtain up and take a shower.
Kid bunks.
Kid bunks.
Adult bunk.
You know, this isn't bad.
No,
the
well,
storage options right here.
Yeah, I mean, this is if you're going off road. This is what this is for.
Oh yeah.
51.
51 is what this one's on sale for right now. There's the sink. But that's the...
Okay, here we go. This Black Label Cherokee.
Black Label Cherokee. Okay, what is this? Is this a kitchen?
Well, you can open it up and see what it is. It is kind of a kitchen.
Kind of a kitchen.
Oh, it's got a burner.
It is a kitchen.
That's an ice maker, and that's a refrigerator.
Yeah, ice maker,
Refrigerator, and
refrigerator, and a little stove. It's got a back door.
I like this one.
Okay, let's go check it out. The flush style windows.
Ooh, bunkhouse.
It is a bunkhouse. It's got a ridiculous slide though.
Yeah, it's got a ridiculously huge slide. Slide goes from here all the way over to there. I mean, if you like slides and it's not a big deal, it's nice slide.
Yeah, there's definitely plenty of room with the slide
Open.
But you would have only enough space with the slide in.
Just to barely get in there. And
barely get in and out of the bunks. But that sink is kind of nice. I like that.
Same stove as we have. I got problems with it. The lights still don't work right.
Right? All right, so there's the bunkhouse. Let's see, this is the refrigerator here.
That's a big fridge. That's a.
I'm in love with the fridge.
that's a liver. That's a full timer fridge.
Yes. That's a full timer pantry.
That's a closet, man.
I like it. The bunks are definitely. I like the long windows. There's outlets and the USB there.
And there's outlets and USB there too.
Yeah, see, ours only has USB on one of the bunks.
And outlet on the other.
Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that.
It's a nice bathroom.
Nice bathroom. Nice big sink. Nice big sink. A shelf. So there's a shelf under there. You can put stuff in. We don't have same kind of cabinet.
Same as ours.
Same as ours. Not much to it. Back door is nice. You can open it when you blow up the bathroom.
Oh, yay!
All right, let's go see the bedroom.
See, there's the TV mount.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
I like the reading lights. I like that.
Okay, not too bad. There storage under the bed. Yep. I'll stand out here. It's actually a nice one.
Hey, hon, you don't want to come in as rear dine.
He knows I'm a sucker for that rear die.
You guys do YouTube or something?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Oh, see, I like that.
I told you you're gonna like the layout in here.
It's very.
It's
I like this. This is why we originally wanted the rear dine, was so that I could go and take my coffee and do my work, because I'm an early bird and he could sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Those upper cabinets. Fridge. Ding. Not a bad little fridge. Definitely not a fan of it per se, but it's got that same style sink.
It's 32.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Have you ever seen anything quite like it?
No. That's why I wanted to look
That's
at
why
it.
we want to come and look at it.
Except that other one that was...
Yeah. It's got a big, wide door.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's interesting. I do like that.
That's an interesting setup.
That is.
These bunks go...
Yeah, those bunks. Yeah. It is very basic, which I like, because you can customize it as you go for your specific needs.
Yeah, this is a off-road trailer.
Yeah.
This is meant to go where other trailers don't go.
Yes.
Look, is that another outdoor kitchen thing?
This one right here?
Mm-hmm.
It probably is
Pup kitchen.
Pup kitchen. Yes, that's what it says. And so you have the access to a small fridge and a little platform. That's it. There's literally nothing more to it.
That's horrible.
Would you like to see the inside? Watch out for the water there. A bed you have to climb over your partner.
Yep. And bunks, but that's...
Yeah.
We looked at one of these, and
Yes.
and this is almost what we paid for ours.
Yeah.
This is a
So
little...
it is a separate shower. It has no sink.
Oh.
So it's not a wet bath. That's always a plus. That little door goes to the bottom bunk with storage underneath. It's got a very big refrigerator.
About the same size as ours.
About the same size of ours.
Smaller ass table.
Look at this. Have you seen one this small before?
That's just 2 burners.
That's just 2 burners.
Okay.
So for what we spent,
We have a much better
we
trailer.
have a much better trailer. So you're actually walking in through the bathroom.
That's something. There's the bedroom. It is a walk-around queen.
It is a walk around. Okay. That's nice.
Mm-hmm. It's a 2-bedroom.
It is a 2-bedroom. Well, that is interesting. What do we have here? Is this a pantry? This is a pantry. Very big fridge.
Mm-hmm. This is almost full timer style.
Yeah. So that it does have a slide.
Yes, it does have a slide.
39.
That's not the worst for
So
this.
VIP.
VIP
cabin.
and children.
Yes.
So it's got 2 permanent beds, which is nice.
Yes.
And you can make another 2 beds.
Yes.
nice. It's not a burner. You could use it as a burner or a grill.
Good luck grabbing a beer while you're cooking.
Oh, you're gonna burn yourself. Oh God! You're gonna knock food off of. No. Did you see? Open the fridge and watch what happens.
Knock food right off your grill. Just try to grab a beer.
Unless that goes out further.
No.
Nope. That's where it goes, huh?
That impossible cabinet you're never getting into because you have to reach across the stove. Or, you know, across the sink in order to get to it. Good big sink. Same cabinet like we have. Let's see the under storage. Very little.
That's horrible.
Very little storage there.
That's
if
sad.
You have this.
But there's so much wasted space.
So very much so. Yeah, it's an outdoor kitchen space worthy of Wesley. You okay with that? Okay.
Oh. So sorry.
Yeah, the bathroom's
That's really nice.
The bathroom is not like the size of like.
Look at it. It's so interesting. Look at the pantry.
Yeah.
Nice.
Big slide.
Yeah. I like it.
If I call this freezer deep, are you gonna giggle? Yeah, of course. Of course. I like this. However, when it comes to cleaning
Back there.
back there, and then let's see if these go. Yep, all the way to the back on that side.
Oh, that's such a pain in the
You're
ass.
not reaching anything back there. Let me see in here. Okay, definitely walk around. It doesn't feel as claustrophobic as the last one because it's just a few inches wider right there. This is cute. Pantry. Deep pantry. That's deep. How's the bathroom?
Oh, pretty good.
You know, I haven't seen a layout quite like this.
Yeah, I was thinking that myself. It's a little different.
Plenty of storage. That side doesn't open, so only one side.
That's kind of dumb.
Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. Place to hang your stuff. Well, you're not reaching all the way in the back of that either, are ya? Better hope that there's nothing back there you need, like the last towel. Yeah.
This is kind of nice, but
Again,
you're gonna knock your food off the grill
just to get a beer.
just to get a beer.
I know, right?
Okay, this is interesting. For us, yeah, I like this idea right here a lot. Because then you can come in, kick off your wet boots, hang up your coat.
Yeah, it's got like a muddish room.
Yeah, kind of like a mud room, yeah.
That's why I said muddish.
The kitchen, I do like that kitchen. We looked at a model that was almost similar, except this wasn't a pantry, it was a bunkhouse. Yeah, see, if it's going to be that cramped, there does need to be 2 doors.
And there is.
Yeah, which they do have.
So really the complaints that I have about this is no bunk and it's got a slide.
Yeah. So let me put my phone back in my hammock. You're not really going to be able to get one that has a fridge that's accessible while you're cooking. The thing that gets me is that while you're cooking, you're having to open this up and pull everything you need out of it, and then close it. Do what you gotta do. Where are you putting everything?
Yeah, you have to put a table out over here.
You have to have a table out. And then if you have a table out, you gotta be careful of this because it's gonna get hot. Right?
Well, that's if you have the heater on.
But yeah, and then you're not grabbing your beer. It's really kind of annoying, isn't it?
I'd rather not have.
Yeah. All right. Master, the double door. I would prefer doors that slid, to be honest.
In this small of a.
Yeah, in this small space, because now I'm impeding on this door here. TV mount, fireplace, kitchen. So we did look at a model very similar.
It's a bunkhouse.
It's not identical.
Yeah. Got same style, same size.
Puny under sink storage.
That's horrible.
If you're a full timer, under sink storage is imperative.
Or have a nice big pantry.
Yes, but you're not storing food and cleaning supplies,
No.
right? So you're only storing food in your pantries.
And other than that, you've got.
You got under there, but I mean, you've got this up here. But again, this is one of those cabinets where it gets very difficult to reach in and grab what you need. Because this back corner right here, you almost have to go around to the edge and open it and grab it from that side. Which is kind of very sad, to be honest. So, I do like the fact it has a pantry. I like the bunk beds. There's the bathroom we looked at earlier. I'm not impressed.
No. 43,000? Nope. 57.
Oh, okay. First impression, I really do enjoy this kitchen. I like the way it's laid out. I like the fact that I can access everything. There's a TV right there. Plenty of storage right there.
I don't like that they didn't put anything there. Under there.
Under here. Yeah, there's got to be. I think that's the outdoor kitchen.
That's the outdoor
space.
kitchen. Okay.
So here's this. I like the fact I can get to everything.
Yeah, it's short.
Obviously, there's still issues with the back, but not like in other models. That's enough for your cleaning supplies, your extras. Nice big fridge.
Decent size, not.
You want to get that cabinet there? Oh my god. Very nice, very nice. Oh my god. So there's also this office space right here.
Yeah, it also has a small office space, which is nice.
Very dedicated office space. I like it. Extra storage up top. You're obviously not accessing this with the slide in.
No.
Big wide table.
I just like the way they dedicated this space just to this.
Yeah, you have privacy in them. Have a big wide area here. This is like.
There's your hidden TV.
There it is.
That comes up.
Oh, now that is a great space.
You know what it is that main area over there is actually a double slide. And that's why it has so much extra space.
And this is a slide as well.
This is a slide. I like the use of this slide. I like that. So where are you putting your television? Right there.
Yeah, it's the TV backer.
Okay.
That's not the worst spot. I mean, it's a.
Yeah. It is only one closet, right? So you've got to be a little creative with what you're storing in there.
But I mean, these aren't horrible.
Yeah. Nice big drawers. Okay, I'm sure there's some under bed storage as well.
I'm sure. Yep, there is.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so here's a door that enters right into a bedroom, it looks like.
Yeah, that's kind of nice.
This is the Forest River vibe. I'm not sure what model number this is. I do not like this handle. No way.
No, it doesn't have a big handle. It needs the big handle.
I can't get up.
Yeah, like I said, it needs the big handle. Here's the TV backer.
Okay.
That's a horrible spot.
Mirrored closet doors again. Kind of 70s, guys. We can do away with that. the step up into the shower. It's got a real funky double door. So
That's
you stand here,
funky.
you stand there, and I open this door.
I don't like that.
Like this is
There's
where
just enough room to poop.
that's where your legs go.
I know, that's just enough room.
Just enough room. Sink's very small.
For such a big trailer, this is such a small, tiny
The slide, it's got the standard. I mean, you're sitting here, you're watching TV with the fireplace. It gives the illusion of a great big kitchen.
If the slide was in, then you flip. You got no kitchen.
Yeah.
Decent fridge.
Decent. I've seen better, but it is decent.
Same.
Let's check these upper cabinets, shall we? I do like this. I like that there's a cabinet right here that you can access.
These aren't.
Yeah, I'm not getting in that one.
That one has that stupid, goes all the way back.
All the way to the back corner. Come on, guys. Are you ready?
That's a nice kitchen sink.
Ready? Oh,
Actually.
not bad. Not bad.
Actually worthwhile.
You can cook here, you can access here, you can get a beer. And not knock your food off
While you're trying to get a beer.
while you're trying to get a beer. I like that. That's definitely,
A much better.
please RV people who design these things, pay attention to what people really want.
This is nice. It has a table here.
Table?
So you'd be sitting here, you could have a beer, you're cooking, got some stuff. You're here.
Yep. Oh, it's got a front kitchen.
Ooh. Rear dine.
Side dive.
Side. Front kitchen.
This is an interesting layout. I like the big window right here.
It's a nice size fridge.
The
Guys have
table
any
here is
questions for us?
independent.
That's sometimes
No.
nice. Sometimes nice if it's a good quality table.
Yeah. Big fridge.
Fridge. And it's 41,000.
Okay. Little fireplace, TV space.
Not a bad bathroom.
Definitely a far better bathroom than that last one we walked through.
And I like this.
I actually do as well.
I don't like the door, but
Well, I mean, this door's broken. Okay.
for if it was me and you,
I like this. If it were just the two of us, this would work for us full time.
oh, very
It's
easily.
perfect.
Yeah, just two people. This is perfect full time.
So this
Has the pop out, but it's a tent style pop
tent
out.
style pop out, reminiscent of
Tent,
childhood days
tent,
gone by.
yeah, tent trailers.
You guys had a tent trailer.
Yes, we did.
We didn't have anything growing up. It wasn't until I was already an adult when Dad bought his cab over camper.
And he literally used it like once.
Yes. Wowzers.
Yeah, I mean it's big, but
If you're going out on a massive fishing trip with all the guys,
yeah, if you're
this
going
is your
if you're going out with multiple, yeah.
different pop out beds. That's kind of nuts. Okay. I'm going to this kitchen.
Okay.
All right. Well, that's interesting.
41.
Let's see the undersink storage. Here we go. Oh, hey. Too bad. Not too bad. That's a back corner you can't get to. I don't know how they would ever fix that, but whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Nice big storage space in the slide.
Mm-hmm.
Storage space here as well. I don't see a dedicated pantry space.
That's
Oh my goodness. look
probably
how
what
shallow
that
it
is.
The bathroom must be on the other side of this. Yep. Yep, that's the shower. So here's your toilet. Corner storage. You have a shower you have to step up into, unfortunately. For some people, that's not a problem.
For some people, it's not a
For
problem.
us, it is.
The bed's not bad.
Closet space. The bed's not bad. There is a door.
That's kind of nice.
If you could not get to your campsite in time, and you just needed to sleep for the night,
You
can
could have the slide in.
you can have the slide in, still access with this door your bedroom space,
The bathroom,
the bathroom, and you can get to the kitchen from the other door. So
it depends on how far the slide comes in, too.
yeah. Well, I mean, you can still walk through that door and get to your stove and your sink.
Yes.
You know, this slide comes in, but you can still get to this bathroom door. I believe, because the slide is here. So,
I just don't know how far the slide comes in.
right?
That's a itty bitty TV.
It's a computer monitor. That's what that is.
But it has HDMI.
Not only is there a mirror over the kitchen sink, it's not even with the sink. My OCD.
And that thing is. We haven't gone in there. We haven't gone in there. Haven't gone in there. Haven't gone in there. Haven't gone in there.
There's water drops on the. Take my purse. All over the camera here. Woohoo! On the lens. Okay.
Could you ride in there?
I feel like I'm on a tour bus. Don't ask me how I know what that's like. But yes, it feels a lot like a tour bus.
They used to say the man who dies with the most toys wins. Now they say the man who dies with the most toys still dies.
It is very basic. Oh, I just got water on my face. That's gonna. Okay, edit. Try that again.
All the remotes.
Yeah, but look at that.
That's a.
Guess if you weren't a table. Feel like it? Whoa! What is this for? What in the? Is this side like that too? Oh my
Yep.
god!
That's to make room. That's to make room for the TV. So I do regret to inform you I was wrong about the amount of time we can hold on these cars. It is not 5 hours. It's 8.
Oh. Okay then. Well, 8 works for me. Go to the service station. We're having them come to you on a regular basis because you snapped a line or the
Motor died.
motor died. Could you imagine having something like that happen when you're like boondocking and you can't get your slide back?
Bad day.
Bad day, very bad day. We could be caught. We're filming today, thank you.
We usually do it on Sundays.
There was just 2 of us. Pretty sweet.
Kids. Hello. Because we walked through one just like this. Remember, this cabinet goes. This cabinet goes to that back corner. Remember? How dare you? You're gonna ruin all the footage.